Hi again. So we're finishing up with the Chapter 6 submission, and where we left off at the last video was on Step 8. And Step 8 took off a couple points for the pivot table. So in digging a little further in the submitted spreadsheet, the pivot table is not constructed correctly. So we're in a little bit of a quandary because so the system, when it's grading your work, is looking for very specific things. And if it finds that very specific thing, it awards the points, even if on the sum total, like the pivot table is not constructed the way that the instructions expect it to be constructed. So the quandary that you're in, this is your choice. You can leave the pivot table the way it is, accepting the results as they are now. Otherwise, if you want to earn those points, you have to recreate the pivot table from scratch and then just follow the instructions. But that means you have to redo step 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So the way the pivot table is now, I believe that if you applied step 13, it wouldn't award you the points because it wouldn't be looking for the subtotals where they're placed because the construction of the pivot table isn't the way that the system's expecting it to be. Do you see what I'm saying? So you could do one or the other. You can leave it as is, accept the results, or if you want to fix step 8 and 13, reconstruct that pivot table from scratch. And then, so you make that choice and then let me know what you need my help with. Just email me. I'm happy to help build that pivot table with you. Just let me know.